Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at Euro JPY for the next day, which is for the 19th. So first we would have to start from the full trend, like we can see that at first this price is kind of giving us like a ranging market move. I've highlighted some levels which we take as this level as mini support, as range support. I don't know how you want to call it, but let's call it mini support on this, and we take a look at this to be the resistance. So basically, once price is ranging within this level and we kind of see a breakout of this level, then the next level we would watch out for is this level of 132, 133. Currently price is trading at a level of 139. So in the long run, if price eventually breaks out of a level of 137, or it breaks out of a level of 136, then the next level we will be watching out on EURJPY is at a level of 132, which I strongly believe that price will actually break out and drop. Well, to be able to predict this price for the next day, we have to see what this price is currently playing, and we can see that this current movement is actually a bearish move. You can see a lower lows, lower highs actually playing out here. You can also see that this price is trading below the 10-period simple moving average. Basically, we can see that price actually gave us a huge, massive move. I think we had about, if I'm not wrong, we had about 400 pips, about close to 400 pips. That's about 350 pips bullish move for today on Euro JPY. Then price eventually drops. Well, so we would go to the 4-hour time frame, so you can see that this price is actually dropping to a level which is this level of 138. We are currently trading at 139.078. Like I say again, 139.078. By the way, the market is yet to close, or it just depends on when you are watching it. This price should have moved further than that. So let's watch this price actually drop to this level of 137. If it can come close to 137, then we would expect a rejection at this level, whereby price will actually push up again. So this is what I am watching out for Euro JPY. So we would see something like a drop here. A rejection was made there, then we add another drop. So let's see, that came close to this level, by the way. So price went up. We had another drop to this, close to this same level, and our price has rejected by going up. So I believe this price is actually dropping here. So let's see it drop to this same level. Let's say 137.983. Let's watch out for that level for the next day. EURJPY should give us a drop to a level of 137.983. Maybe then we can also find a bullish move. So those that would want to go long on JPY can go ahead and go long. And those that you'd want to sell, you probably want to wait for this price to break this level low before you can go ahead and sell.